Hey guys, welcome back to the Willow Pink channel. As you can see, it's my birthday today. I'm having a party, and comment down below what you think I'm going to be doing today. I have something to say to you guys. Yes, that's right. We're tie-dyeing a pair of pants. As you can see, they have stripes on them. That's okay. It's because I want stripes on my tie-dye pants. And we have the tie-dyed things here. We just have to fill it up with water up to the line here. So you give it a good shake so it's mixed well. Get messy. All you'll have to do is grab your elastic bands and your pants. Next, you're going to grab your elastic bands, put it right here, then tie it up. As you know, guys, click the subscribe button and down below what colours you're going to pick. They're all tied up now, and I'm going to start with pink. You can start with whatever colour you want. Now, you got to make sure you put your gloves on. These are really big for me. I'm going to start with putting a bit of pink on. You ready, Mum?
Yeah.
Oh. It doesn't matter if you get it messy. That's all about having fun and tie-dyeing if you get it messy. Yellow. This is a beautiful blue now. I'm going to start with the bottom, and then you always go near the elastic bands because it gives it a good pattern. There. And if any of your elastic bands break, that's okay. You can just tie them up. Some beautiful grass green. It's going to be so cool. We're going to wrap it in plastic and let it set for 6 to 8 hours, and then we're going to wash it out. It's time to rinse it out because we already let it set for 6 hours. Now we have to wash it out. Okay. We washed all the colour out. Now to cut the elastic bands off. This is hard. down below if in the next video you want my mum to be in it. Oh, and
This is looking great.
and comment down below if you like my pants so far.
Yes.
There's still a few areas that are white, like just here and just here.
That's okay.
It doesn't matter if you get any white in it. That's all about having fun and tie-dyeing.
You're being really creative as well.
Yeah. Guys, comment down below and look at me. So that means comment down below if you saw the video when I made a crop top out of an old pair of pants.
Okay, we ready for a reveal in a minute?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Guys, this is the reveal of the pants. They look so good. Comment down below what your pants look like and what colours you used. If you put your tie-dye thing, your tie-dye shirt, pants, bag or towel, don't put them in the washing machine with all your other clothes, or then what will happen is all of the colour of the tie-dye pants will go on to the other clothes that you're trying to wash. So the first time, wash them separately. Watching, give me a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and click the bell. See you later, bye!